Summer is the perfect time to explore the vibrant and delicious world of fresh produce. From juicy stone fruits to crisp vegetables, the options are endless. First, let's talk about berries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants and bursting with flavor. Try mixing them into a refreshing salad or blending them into a smoothie. Next, let's not forget about stone fruits. Peaches, nectarines, plums, and cherries are all at their peak in the summer. Grill them, bake them, or eat them raw. The possibilities are endless. Of course, we can't forget about summer squash. From zucchini to yellow squash, these vegetables are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. And let's not forget about tomatoes. Summer is the prime time for heirloom varieties, which come in a rainbow of colors and flavors. Use them in a salad, sauce, or salsa. Don't forget about corn. Whether it's grilled, boiled, or roasted, corn is a summer staple. And finally, let's talk about melons. From watermelon to cantaloupe, these fruits are the perfect way to cool down on a hot summer day. So, get creative and make the most of this summer's produce. Your taste buds will thank you. If you like these tips, please be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you!